welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notified. I do weekly videos on a Sunday generally, so be sure to keep an eye out. Today I am going to be doing a stovetop clean. I also have other videos that you can check out. I have a playlist link below, so be sure to watch that after you finished here. This is going to be my very last cleaning video in this house. We have now officially moved, which is very exciting. I'm hoping to take you on a bit of a renovation journey at our new home. So it's all very exciting. We are in, we are unpacked. It has been a struggle. Everyone got sick. I got sick and it was just hanging around, but it is always the way when moving that things just, you know, don't go as planned, but it's all down. It's all done now. It's all in the past history, and we are finally settled, and I am enjoying my new home. So let's get this party started. Stay tuned, guys, for my stovetop clean. So first, I obviously start off with removing all the racks. Oh lordy, that's disgusting. Normally what I do with all my knobs is I put them in the dishwasher, but today I just soaked them in some hot soapy water. These are all the products that I'll be using to clean my stovetop. Can't forget the toothbrush. Just boiling the kettle here to soak all my knobs. First I use my Method multi-surface cleaner. And use my toothbrush to scrub all around the edges. Toothbrush is one of my favorite cleaning tools. It really just gets into all those little bits that your sponge does not get into. Once I've done this, I will then be spraying disinfectant over the stove top to disinfect. I'm using Zoflora, but obviously you can use any disinfectant that you like. These cloths that I'm using right now, this particular one is from IGA. I think it was a pack of 6 for like $2. Now, Jif Creamy Cleanser. Working that in with my Scrub Daddy. This is my favourite part. Oh, and there's my little helper. I will leave the link for my Scrub Daddy down below. I ordered mine from catch.com.au. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase. So as I said before, this was my last clean on my stovetop, so I really tried to do this as best as I could for the new owners. When you purchase a new home, there's actually no laws or regulations that you need to do like a vacate clean like you do in a rental, but I still tried my best to make sure that it was presentable for them. I'm just drying it all off with a microfiber cloth now. When you worry, I worry.
'cause we got all the time we need. If we're in love, then we'll succeed.
Then I am using Steel Clean stainless steel cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. It gets all your stainless steel appliances looking nice and shiny, streak free with minimal effort. You can either use paper towel or a microfiber cloth. I change it up, but most of the time I use a paper towel. Dried all my knobs off, putting them all back on, and then putting all the racks on, and that's it, guys. With the knobs, just before we were getting ready for the final inspection for the new owners to come through, I told my husband that the knobs weren't working, that the ignition or whatever it's called is not working, but in actual fact I had just not pushed the knobs down enough. So if yours aren't working, make sure your knobs are pushed down. So that's it for my stovetop clean, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and to check out my playlist in the links below. Bye!